Welcome to the Tech Boy Anand YouTube channel.
Hi everyone, this is Tech Boy Anand, and welcome back to the channel. If your Windows 11 drive is full, your system might slow down, apps may lag, and even games can stutter. So in today's video, I'll show you how to clean up disk space in Windows 11 using only built-in Microsoft tools. No third-party software needed. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Windows Storage Settings. Click on the search bar and type Settings, then open it. Once you're in, go to the System tab and select Storage. Here, Windows 11 automatically analyzes your storage and shows you what's taking up space, like apps, temporary files, and system files. Tip: you can right-click the Settings app and select Pin to Taskbar for quicker access in the future. Step 2. Clear temporary files. Under Storage, click Temporary Files. You'll see several categories, like Windows Update Cleanup, Downloads, and Thumbnails. Carefully review the list. If your Downloads folder doesn't have important files, you can select it too. Now click Remove Files and confirm. Windows will now delete unnecessary files, including old update backups and cache data. Result: you'll instantly free up 1 to 2 gigabytes, sometimes even more. Step 3. Uninstall unused apps. Go back to Storage and click on Apps and Features. Review your installed applications. If you see apps or games you no longer use, click the 3 dots next to them. Select Uninstall. This can free up huge amounts of space, especially if you have large software like Adobe or old games installed. Step 4. Check Cleanup Recommendations. Scroll down to Storage Management and click Cleanup Recommendations. Windows suggests files and folders you can safely delete, such as old installers, large unused files, and recycle bin content. Review the suggestions and clean up what you no longer need. If this option is grayed out, it means your system is already optimized after the previous cleanup steps. Step 5. Review storage by category. Click Show More Categories to view how storage is divided, like System and Reserved, OS files, virtual memory, Apps and Features, Documents, Pictures, Music, Videos. Explore each one and delete unnecessary files, but make sure not to remove anything important. Step 6. Let Windows breathe. After cleaning up, your Windows 11 should have more free space and run more smoothly. This improves not just speed, but also system stability and gaming performance by reducing background disk load. In this example, I freed up around 1 gigabyte of space, but on your system, you could easily clean up 10 gigabytes or more, especially if you've been using your PC for a while. So, keep your system optimized regularly. It'll help Windows run faster and reduce lag or crashes. That's it for today's video, friends. I hope this tutorial helped you clean up and speed up your Windows 11 PC. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Boy Anand for more tech tips, troubleshooting guides, and PC tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and stay tech savvy.
Thanks for watching.